In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Discord on your computer or laptop step by step in a quick and easy way. If you don't know, Discord is a free app that lets you chat with friends, join communities, and communicate using text, voice, or video. It's widely used for gaming, studying, and also online groups. First, open your browser. I will be using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. Now go to the search bar, type Discord. Click on the official Discord website. Make sure it says discord.com so you know it's the real one. Once you're on the website, click on Download for Windows and the download will start automatically. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open the Discord file. After opening the file, Discord will start installing automatically. Once it's installed, you can now log in or create a new account. And that is how you can download Discord on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.